Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Aviator. The Lincoln Aviator is the luxury division's mid-size sport utility vehicle. Based on the Ford Explorer, the Aviator combines a rugged, truck-based platform with a smooth luxury car ride. Properly equipped, Aviator can tow up to 7,300 pounds, significantly more than most imported SUVs in its size class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Bluetooth, heads-up display, heated front driver and passenger seats, adaptive cruise control, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.